Hi guys, good morning again and welcome back to my YouTube channel. So in this video guys, I wanna share you how to convert your video into audio. Okay, so all you need to do guys is download Audio Lab. Okay, so sa akin guys, naka-download na po ito dito. Okay, kanina lang. And then let's start. So click Audio Lab. Ayan. So for example guys, pag na-download nyo na yung Audio Lab, tapos meron ba yung grant permission dyan, so i-follow nyo lang guys. So sa akin, kanina pa ako gumagawa nito, so na-open na agad. Okay, let's start to convert video into audio. So for example, I have here one video. So actually marami akong video dito, pero we have to choose one only. Okay, for example this one. Alright, so all you need to do guys is click this, okay, yung may video sign. Ayan, so i-click natin, and here, and there we go. So ito na siya guys, ang dali lang gawin, napakadali at napakasimple lang. Here, ito siya guys, ito na, from video into audio. Okay, try natin i-play yung audio natin. Alright guys, ito na guys, ito na siya. Okay, so stop, baka makapiright tayo. Okay, dyan lang po muna. At so that's it for today, and thank you for watching my videos. This video, and I hope you learned something about this video, and please hit the notification bell button and subscribe, and don't forget also to thumbs up this video if you like this video. Okay, thank you.